Hey guys, welcome back. In last video, we have learned how we can use circle avatar with the size and the image, online image that we are providing here. Now we are going toward the special widgets called card. Card is a very special widget. It can be used in number of ways. It can be used number of places where you require it, but mostly in professional application, we display information within a card under list also. You see that this list is there, but this list is not looking good because it not looking like a separated information within a card, and it not look good also. So if you want to make it good and you want to display this information like a card, for that what we can do, I can put this style, list style under a card. So just for that, I'll enter and it say that under which widgets you want to put this. So the widgets are not coming here. To display row is coming, container is coming, column is coming, center is coming, but card is not coming. So I say widgets, and this widgets I convert into card. Remember? And in this card, I say elevation. So I say 4 is the elevation. I say control S, and you see that now the magic we are using here the card, and before that we have a padding also. So I minimize the information of padding to 2, and you see that now card is coming here, elevation, and I show here color. Under the card we have a color also. So I say color dot, I say light color here, gray suppose I want to use, control S, and you see that we have a gray here, color of card, but I can use other color also, that will be okay to be display here. So I say I use a green color with opacity is removed, and I can give alpha value, or this value suppose I say 0.7. So I give here color dot green, and you see that green color is also coming. I can change the color also, text color to white. It will look good, but you see that I am concentrating only on card. That's why I'm showing this. And now in the card, and we have shape property also. I say shape, or shadow color is also there. So I can put shadow color, colors dot shadow color. I can put here black. Try to see this, and shadow color not coming, but I say shape also, no worry, and I say rounded rectangle border. Here I say border radius, and here I say border radius dot circular, and here I give the size of the border radius, and you will see that I increase the size to 30. You see, I increase more size, I say 50. You see, so it depend on you what kind of things you want from this. So this card is most important property. It used in professional applications like we have Amazon, we have a Flipkart. So it used there to display items in the card form. So we have this elevated green shadow and rounded rectangle radius we can pass. So again, I'm just putting it to 20. Okay, look better. And lot more properties also there, but here in this example I am restricted with tiles, so I'm showing like this. But in place of tiles we can use column also. Under a column I can design multiple values inside this. It may be card, it may be list style, it may be some other, you can say widgets we have. We may have number of listing also. We may display images also, because in column you know that we can display image on any number of item. So that I have explained in previous video also. How to use container, how to use center widgets, so many things I have explained. But here you need to remember that we have a card also, and under the card we can use list style, and card give better look and better demonstration of your information that you want to display under the list. And remember that not only we use card in a list, we can use card anywhere. Just in the listing example, I am showing that it look good if you use card within a list. So that's all here in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.